So as you can see, the traditional way of doing it is just to hold your GoPro out in front of you where everyone can see you and know that you're recording them. Alright, so the better way to do it is to use one of these harnesses, the GoPro harnesses. So let's put that on. It's quite fiddly and takes some time to put on, but there you go. That's the harness is now on. And of course you then just attach the GoPro to the harness. And for someone like me, who's quite a built guy, the issue is that you end up looking like you're a big child wearing one of those baby carrier things. It's not a good look. You can see my man boobs are quite struggling there and protruding. So there is a better way to do this, and I'm going to show you that now. I like to wear it with a vest because I find the GoPro straps can be quite itchy if it's directly on skin. So I just wear one of these tank top vests underneath. So go ahead and put on the chest mount over your tank top. Make sure it's adjusted correctly, fitting nice and snug. And the secret or tip then is to wear a button-up shirt, and you'll see why in a minute. Once you put on your button-up shirt, you can probably see now how it all comes together. The GoPro just kind of protrudes through the button spaces. There you have it. Once you put the GoPro back on, you're going to notice that it's a lot less obvious that you're recording anyone. And I just think it's a much better look than having the GoPro in your hand, or wearing the chest strap over, say, a t-shirt, which is what most people tend to do. So yeah, that's a much better look and a much better way of discreetly wearing your GoPro.